While on a business lunch a few days back, I came across this unfamiliar sight in a restaurant in Hanoi. The chef came to our table to cook the beef steak to its desired doneness. A rare steak should be pink in the center. Gathered a lot of knowledge about beef steaks that day. A well-done steak needs to be cooked through and then rested for a few minutes before slicing it. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it more tender and flavorful, and then slice the steak against the grain. This helps to break down the muscle fibers and makes the meat easier to chew. Finally, the cook garnished the slices with fresh herbs and a dollop of sauce to add flavors. And being a non-savourer of beef, this sight was quite new to me, and so I decided to share it with you all. However, my portions were from these sections: tuna fish salad spiced with crab eggs, pork sausage, fried pork belly, and cuttlefish. And this creative corner seems to express its own story. Oh, finally, this restaurant is Bia Sanh Dieu in Hanoi. Can't comment anything about the taste of the beef steaks, but the rest of the food was too good. So if you want to be here, check the description box for more details about the restaurant. Did you enjoy this video? If yes, please like and share it with your foodie friends and subscribe to Travel Beyond for more travel stories.